Hey, how goes it? So, the first part of the craziness of 2021 is over. The end of the craziness of 2020 is almost over. So I'm going to talk sneaker bots today. Anyway, so Sneaker Ninja Bot. Should call it the Sneaker Ninja Bot AIO because it does have so many sites. Right now, I have gotten done moving back servers from one place to another, setting up the back end infrastructure, the fun and thrills thereof. I am looking at reskinning it. Well, what does that mean? So, the main complaint I have is that people would like a sexier interface. So I'm working on that. I'm looking at some libraries, doing some researches, figuring out what methodologies I want to swap out for what methodologies. So it has a sexier looking interface, and I respect that. I'm a functionality guy, though. I prefer functionality over sexiness. Sexiness always comes last, but some people want a sexier interface right now, so I'm working on it, and I listen to them, and I'm cool with that. Got some more bots I set up, or not some more bots. Got some servers got some computers I've set up to start to actually go after restocks myself. A few restocks I'm going to be interested in, so I'm just going to park 2 or 3 of my bots on different servers and play for the restocks myself and enjoy that aspect of it. So yeah, I'm going to eat a little bit of my as they say, eat a little bit of my own cooking and actually start to play the game myself, keeping it off my main development box, because if it's on my main development box, I won't be doing any developing while the system is doing its thing. So added more computers to my system for the aspect of actually hitting restocks right now. Just things I'm interested in, probably more technical stuff like video cards and not necessarily shoes as much as electronics and things of that nature. So that's where we're at with that. Progressing along. I'm going to be modifying the licensing aspect, because when people would buy licenses, my system would email people the license, and still, even when it was emailed to them, they wouldn't find it. So I think what I'm going to do is change it so when you get your PayPal receipt, you come into your PayPal receipt and you enter it into the website, and then it will give you your license key from there. I think that's probably going to be the better model, because that way people won't be messaging me, even though I say look in your email box, they're not going to be messaging me asking me where is it in the email box. So that's what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to try to drop the emails out of the system to make it easier all the way around and less work for myself and anyone involved. Oh, so that's about it. I mean, it's a new year, and really it didn't start until yesterday. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm enjoying it and adding more features. And like I said, for those of you guys who are more interested in the looks and feels and trying to make it a little sexier, I am researching the skins and researching the components that I can swap out and make it look sexier and bring the jazzy graphics for you guys who are really into it. Those of you guys who aren't worried about that right now, just run the bot. I mean, the look and feel and that sort of stuff is a look and feel, and it doesn't change the functionality, the underlying muscles and bones that much. But like I said, for those of you guys who are really interested in the look and feel and making it look as sexy as like that car up there does in real life, then yeah, I get you, and I'm working on it for you. Anyway, that's it. More to come soon. As soon as I get this new system back up with regards to picking up the license key from a website instead of email, I'll let you know. Anyway, take care. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.